What about extensibility in your API gateway? It's really a key feature of any API gateway, being able to extend it to your own custom requirements. There are a lot of smart engineers who've built out the Envoy filters that you can use in your Gloo Edge deployments, and they've devised solutions to a lot of your problems. But the fact is that those engineers aren't smart enough to understand every single one of your organization's unique requirements. And so sometimes the library of available filters doesn't have anything that fits your problem. And that's precisely why WebAssembly, or Wasm, was born. WebAssembly began life as a mechanism to add sandbox custom logic inside web browsers. More recently, its popularity has grown substantially within reverse proxies like Envoy as well. Envoy now delivers Wasm filters as part of its latest distributions, and Solo provides enterprise support for building custom filters using multiple languages, including AssemblyScript, TinyGo, Rust, and C++. In addition, Solo has also shown its commitment to the Wasm community by publishing WebAssembly.io as a free website that can be used to store your own Wasm images. And so with Gloo Edge, the scope of problems you can address with WebAssembly isn't limited by the collection of filters that are available with Envoy Proxy. Instead, it's only limited by your imagination. If you'd like more information and a specific example of how to build out a WebAssembly filter and deploy that in Gloo Edge, check out this blog post.